Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to clear all app data and cache on Android. If you want to clear all app data and cache files on your Android phone, so there are two methods to do this. First method is that you just have to open settings app and then go to app section, and here just select see all apps, and now you have to select all apps individually and then clear their cache and data. As I'm going to clear this one, so just tap on it, then storage and cache, and here's the option of clear cache and clear storage. Just tap on it, then delete, and now do the same step with the next one. Just select the app, and I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, then storage and cache, and then clear cache or clear storage, and after that the storage of the app will be successfully deleted. But if you won't want to do this, there is a second method, which is you just have to open Play Store app and install a third party app for this purpose, or go to search bar, and here you just have to search for CCleaner for Android, and just search for it, and here you will get this app. You just have to install this application. Just tap on install, and after that it will install on your phone. With the help of this application, you can easily clear cache files or other storage data of all the apps. After the installation, you just have to open this app. Just tap on open, and it will be open in your phone. You just have to tap on get started, and here it will demand an access to your files, and after that it will remove all cache and junk files from your Android device. So that's how you can clear all of data and cache on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.